Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a data recovery on 2012 MacBook Pro SSD. That's the 15-inch version. So what happened, the customer said that she closed the LCD, the LED, and the fan went loud. Then she smelled something burning. She took it to another shop, and they said the SSD has a burn chip on it. So let's go ahead and see if we can help this customer. So basically, well, the good thing that the other store is, I like that guy actually. They didn't attempt to do anything. So basically, this is the bad component. We're gonna go ahead and replace it, and before replace it, see why did it blow up. Yeah, it looks like it's shorted. Okay, so let's go ahead. First, let's cover the controller. Since we're gonna apply heat, I don't wanna create more damage. Okay, that's better. And the second thing is this. Yeah. This way we only apply heat on the spot that we want. Where are my tweezers? Yes, found them. Okay. Underneath it, maybe. So what I did, I just partially removed it since it's okay, it's kind of welded, so I want to make sure not to rip off. Oh, these are all connected to each other. See? Okay, good. Let's double check which one is which, so we don't make any mistakes. Okay, so this whole thing is one pin. Now I'm trying to apply the minimum heat I can, because the last thing I want is to apply heat on these chipsets, because that's what gonna create the real damage. Now we need to find another one. Okay. Let me go ahead and find another board, another hard drive, so we can see if it's fixable. Okay, I think I found a donor one. I'm gonna take one from a 2012, actually from a 2015 MacBook Pro hard drive. I have 128 gigabyte, and I don't think I'm gonna use a 128 gigabyte. Okay, let's take. So this is the same exact one, and this is the same orientation. So this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, do we need to? Let's see if we need to remove. Some of the solder here. Yes. Let's put this one also here just in case. Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna make sure that this pin is connected as well. Okay, now time to test. It's here. I already tested for short, there was no short ground. So I really hope this fixes the issue, because if not, customer will be very sad. Oh man, now we need the charger. I mean, the chip didn't blow yet, so let's hope. Come on, let's do it. Yes, perfect. But I'm happy that I was able to help the customer, and definitely she's gonna be happy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just back up the data just in case, to make sure that we have the data on the side. And yeah, well, that's it. That's how we repaired the 2012 SSD. Okay guys, see you in the next one.